We have had horror stories.
We've
working
lived
with
the
other
horror.
companies.
The horror.
Yeah, and working with your company has been such a pleasure. It made us willing to go ahead and do some more work, actually, that we had not originally been planning on doing.
Right. For the record, Bathmasters is coming back, and they're doing not as extensive work, but some modifications of 2 of our other bathrooms.
I think what surprised us the most about Bathmasters was how good the communication was, because we haven't had that experience in many cases in the past. So, whenever we had a question, it was answered very quickly, and I think we both felt that everyone was incredibly responsive.
Everybody worked hard, and they always had enough people to do the job that they were supposed to be doing that day. So there was never a question of, oh, we gotta wait a week or 2 until we get the right crew here. Because all of these crews are Bathmasters. It's pretty amazing when you don't have a third-party electrician or a third-party plumber or a third-party this or that. They're the whole team, and they all they work together like a team, which is really nice.
I think one of the things that was refreshing to us is that the estimating and design process was perfectly normal. We're not accustomed to that. We've worked with a lot of contractors, and it's taken forever to get an estimate, and it's been incomplete, or it's just totally missed the point. So that process was very smooth from our perspective. Yeah, but I felt like our time spent was very productive in the showroom. We were able to nail down everything. It took time, but it was a process that was nice and integrated, so I could really see how everything went together and how it would look, in its finished product form, which gave us a lot of confidence.
It wasn't the showroom that blew me away. It was the training facility behind the showroom, where every Bathmasters employee gets checked out on everything they're going to be doing in the training facility before they're unleashed on someone's home. So I had complete confidence that the people working in my house knew what they were doing. Our house was built in '54, and if this bathroom wasn't original equipment, it wasn't from much after that. So the shower was what really needed a complete yeah, they basically took it down to the studs.
I would say now that it's done, my favorite part of the bathroom is how spacious it feels. I don't feel cramped anymore, and it's bright and airy, and just a pleasure to be in.
Yeah, we got rid of a huge cast iron clawed tub that we never even used once, and we built a laundry center in that space, which is really handy. That opened up more space in the master closet, so we were able to do a whole bunch of stuff in the master closet. And then that opened up space so that we could actually knock part out of the wall and build an office cubby for an office space for Ellen, and also space for these built-in drawers in the master bedroom. So it really had a kind of a ripple effect through the whole suite. And yeah, it's really nice now.
I think if someone was thinking of remodeling, I would tell them to call Bathmasters, because I would be confident that they would get good guidance, good advice, and a reasonable price with great execution.
Professionalism. The Bathmasters you could sense that one of their core values is their professionalism.
So this is our new bathroom. We redid the whole side with the sinks and expanded the counter space, which works out great. We changed the door on the toilet room, which works much better and is much more comfortable for everyone. And we put in a laundry center, which is wonderful convenience-wise. And we love our new shower.